Hey peeps, in today's video we'll be setting up the longer enclosure with the 40-watt Longer B1 and the camera kit accessory. A huge thanks to Longer for sending us this accessory, and if you're interested in Longer machines, we have a discount code Project5 off for 5% off at checkout. We'll have the link to their website in the description. In order to have our camera capture the laser's workspace properly, we used a wood block to elevate it more. Now we're going to test out the enclosure and camera together by cutting and engraving black acrylic. So the laser didn't cut through the acrylic completely, so we'll try another pass over what we've done by lining up our cut line with the material using the camera. By using the camera, our laser was able to cut from what we already had precisely, but we want to try to make the engraving more prominent in another attempt.
Now after assembling and using this enclosure for the Longer B1 40-watt diode laser, here's some of our initial thoughts. Now Longer states that this assembly should take about 10 minutes, and I would say that's probably pretty optimistic. It took us a little bit longer than 10 minutes to put together. Pretty easy to put together, however, the fan assembly was probably the most difficult part or component of this enclosure to put together, simply because of the way that it mounts. Now that being said, it is mounted very securely and we don't have any issues there. Now I will say that this fan is pretty underpowered for the amount of volume that this is supposed to be pulling out. We have found that a lot of the smoke does stay contained in the enclosure and it kind of struggles to keep up with the smoke. So I would suggest to get a dedicated inline fan to pull the smoke out and blow it out the window, or you could go with an air purifier, which also does the same thing. Now the positive here is that this enclosure does trap all of the fumes within it. So if you wanted to do this in an indoor space, provided that you have a strong enough fan to blow the air out, you could do this indoors, no problems, and contain all of the smoke within the enclosure. Additionally, another reason why you would want to use an enclosure with an open gantry laser is the fact that it does block the laser light from the sides and rear. So if you have other people walking in and out of your workspace, it does protect their eyes. Another feature about this enclosure that I really do like is the fact that it does have a way for you to use the camera that Longer also sells with this laser. Now, we have found that there's a better way to mount this camera rather than using the extension arms that come with the camera kit. And unfortunately, those pieces do not come with this laser, but we could probably 3D print a bracket that goes directly to the bar extension on the top to clamp down and hold our camera. Now, I just would have liked that this enclosure would have come with that ready to go, or the camera kit would have come with that extension as well, but it doesn't. So that's something just to keep in mind. We were able to get the camera to work with the extension bars, as you can see here, but it's a little messy. Now, the other aspect of this enclosure that I'm not exactly fond of is the fact that we have multiple wires to run both the fan as well as the LED lights, rather than it being incorporated into either a single plug or incorporated into plugging into the laser itself. So we have wires running from this side of the fan and running from that side of the light. And again, we have to plug that into an outlet independently of one another, which it's not the end of the world, but it would have been nicer for it to be incorporated at least into just one more plug. Now, a pro and a con of this enclosure, depending on the way that you see it, is the fact that it does have a sealed bottom. So in one way, it actually traps more of the smoke and smells within the enclosure. But on the other hand, it makes it much more difficult to move your laser in and out. If you are using this as a permanent setup and you had this, against the wall in your workshop or in your craft room set up for good, it's probably a non-issue, and you would probably appreciate the fact that it is fully enclosed. Now, I would say that if this was the permanent home of this laser, it'd be a perfect setup the way it is. We have our camera perfectly calibrated, our enclosure is fit, and the laser inside, no problem. But of course, we work with different lasers and have to move things around. And the fact that we would have to move and recalibrate our camera every time we set up, this is probably not an ideal setup for us. But having an enclosure with an open gantry system, I believe, is a good idea, no matter what laser open gantry you're using, whether it's the Longer B1 or any other gantry that you see behind us. This will work for that. And lastly, I'll say that you will still want to wear your protective glasses when using this enclosure, because the viewing window there is not laser proof. So you're definitely going to want to use your glasses while looking in that window. Again, the purpose of this is to trap the fumes as well as protect the eyes of others who are walking in from the side. But definitely you're going to want to wear your glasses.
Once again, a huge thanks to Longer for sending us this accessory and the Longer B1. If you're interested in Longer machines, make sure to use our discount code Project5Off for 5% off at checkout. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it.